Yo, how often you guys checking your oil, bro? You guys make sure you guys checking that oil. Especially if you guys got the G35, you guys got to check that oil. If you're rocking 350Z, check your oil. These engines burn oil like crazy, so make sure you guys keep it topped off. I had to order me a new oil stick, dipstick, a while back because this one was all jammed up. I got me a new one. Oil level sitting good on the G35. Oil's pretty clean too. With the Q50 we gotta change the oil. Make sure you guys check that oil, bro. It's a major key. Check it out, we got the intakes installed. AMS intakes. If you guys didn't see that install video, go check out that video. These things are hella dirty, but I've had them for a minute. Got the HKS blow-off valves installed. That's how we got it routed right here. I'm gonna change this up though because we can't put that little heat cover on top. It's because this hose is in the way. So we'll have to reroute it somehow. But we replaced these silicone hoses right here. We had to come in back here and take that one off. Place that. This one right here too. And then where the blow-off valves connect, right here, this coupling where this hose clamp is on, you gotta pull this whole box up, and this one too. You guys go run up the channel, bro. If you guys are new, you guys go check it out. All the old videos. Check out the tire stickers. Got that arc exhaust sitting low. Got the whip lowered down on BC coilovers. I just lubricated up these brakes so we got no more squeaky brakes. Got the stickers right there, you guys go hit it up. Got the chalk blocks in the back. There. What you know about that chalk block? Alright, let's go, let's get it up. Check out that back wheel jumping in the sky. It wants to take off. Them chalk blocks putting in that work right now. Alright. This is where I got it jacked up. Using this rubber pad to keep it from messing it up anymore underneath. Go hit the other side. Now check out this surface I'm working with. I'm on rocks, grass, fucking gravel, bricks. If I could get this done right here, you guys could get it too. Gotta get them batteries going, man. I got these things on a cycle. Got them camera batteries on steroids, non-stop. And on that creatine, brother. Alright, we got the whip in the air. Got the drain pan ready. Got the filter, the oil, washer. I gotta take off this under tray. We got 10mm bolts all across the under panel. Pop that off. Then we'll get to the oil filter that's under there and the drain plug. Got all these bolts out. It's 10mm for the under tray. Under tray on the ground. And now we can see the drain plug, which I believe is a 14mm, and then the oil filter right here. Yeah, 14mm. Alright, make sure you guys get this cracked open. Don't be stupid like me and fucking forget to open that shit up. Pop the vent open. Where we at? Our hair is gonna shoot out this way. So get that in position. And then I like to take this out just for better airflow. And then crack this open too right here. There we go. Come on, brother, if I could get this with one hand, showing you guys on camera, you guys could get this shit too. Got this. There we go. I'll give that a minute. Alright, we got the old washer on there. I'm gonna get that off. Let's try these out. I'll link these down below, they're hella cheap. Amazon. Make sure you guys don't double up on these. Get the old one off of there. That's gonna crush down when we tighten it up. We'll have a good seal. Look at that. Yo, I'm still up in there. Who's watching, bro? Make sure you guys subscribe up. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Let's keep running this up. Let's test this out. Plug it up. You guys don't want to tighten it up hella tight. Make sure it's on there. But you guys don't want to fucking put all your weight into it. And then make sure you guys don't have a gasket on here from the old one, from the old filter. Alright, that seems pretty good right there. Alright, you guys want to oil this up a little bit. Oil that up. Just gonna take my finger, dip it in the oil, lubricate this up. That way it doesn't get stuck on the car, the filter housing. You guys can throw that old one in the box. Right here too, I'm just gonna hand tighten it. No need to go hella tight with any of this. Alright, let's snug up right there. Get one good little turn in. And that's it. We'll dump that new oil in. Alright, we got the funnel in. Check down here and make sure nothing's leaking. And once you guys confirm nothing's leaking, you guys can cap off that fill cap. Start the car up, make sure it's all good, and then once everything's straight, then you can go back in, throw that under tray in. Don't forget to do that. You guys want to put that on. Alright, I'm trying to close the show. You guys can hold these two down right here. Boom, set you back up at 10K. Damn.